your girl Janae here, back with another hair video, and today I will be reviewing the Amika the Kure Intense Bond Repair Mask. Okay, so I recently got this mask. It is the little small sample because this stuff is really expensive. It's actually not that bad for salon professionals. I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I'm able to get this a little bit cheaper, but it's still kind of pricey for me not to know how it works. So today I'm going to be trying this out on my hair. I'm going to shampoo with a anti-dandruff shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo, then I'm going to put this on, okay? So they said use it after cleansing, gently massage through damp hair from mid-lengths to ends, wait 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Use as a weekly intensive treatment. So I can tell you already, I'm probably going to put this underneath the dryer. Heat opens up your cuticles, so I like to do all of my treatments underneath the dryer, or at least letting them sit for a good amount of time. So I'm probably not going to listen to the whole 5 to 10 minutes thing. I'm probably going to do at least 20 and add some heat to that to really get the full effect of this. So I'm excited to see how this works. A lot of people rave about the Kure and Soul Food from the Amika brand. This is my first time using anything by them, so I'm excited to see if this works. Right now my hair is, you know, it feels good. It doesn't feel bad or anything. My scalp is pretty dry, but my hair is okay. It could use a little bit of moisture, so I'm gonna see what this does for me. I'm super excited, and I'm gonna come back on here once I am ready to apply this packet to my hair. Alright y'all, so it is a couple days later. I have blow dried my hair and everything. I completed the wash process, and I'm going to be flat ironing my hair and finishing my review of Amika's the Kure Intensive Treatment. Okay, so just a little bit about this treatment. Let me see, I have it pulled up. So Amika's the Kure Treatment claims to be a reparative ultra moisturizing hair mask that is clinically proven to significantly hydrate, repair, strengthen, and improve manageability. And it says it's good for straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair, medium and thick hair texture, and it helps with dryness, damage, split ends, and breakage. It's supposed to repair and strengthen the hair. It intensely hydrates and improves manageability. Okay, for you guys who are not hairstylists, this product is 42 bucks. Okay, for me, the product's like, it's still not on the cheap side. This product is like, I want to say $20 a jar, maybe. I might be misquoting it. It's still pretty expensive for hairstylists also. The key word in this is hydrating. Okay, so I use this product on my color treated, basically natural now hair, and I'm someone whose hair and scalp needs a lot of moisture, so I'm constantly looking for moisturizing products, and I love a good deep conditioner. Okay, I will be making a video about my favorite deep conditioners, but I wanted to try this out because everyone raved about it. Now, I did see a lot of women who did have more straighter hair, who were Caucasian, using this product, and that didn't deter me when looking at reviews, because a lot of the moisturizing products I use are typically, people would think, white brands, but when it comes to good hair products, not everything is black and white. If it's a good brand, it'll work on African American hair, Asian hair, all different types of hair types. It's just supposed to be acting towards dryness, what the hair needs more than, you know, head the hair is on, you know. So I wasn't deterred by that. They actually did have some reviews of natural people using Amika's brand in general. They use this, and they use soul food. That's another one of their intensive treatments. So I was like, you know, let me try it. I want to try it. So I had this little sample. You guys know I put that on my hair. The smell wasn't bad at all. A lot of people were saying that soul food smelled like relaxer, which I had the Kure, but I was expecting the smell to be something unpleasant, but the smell was fine to me. To me, even that little sample wasn't enough. I would have needed more. So to me, you have to use a good little bit of this. And just for the price point, I don't know if that's realistic for a lot of people, because if I would have gotten the jar, I don't know how many uses I would have gotten out of the jar. So money wise, I don't know if it's worth that price. Now, after I sat underneath the dryer with this product, which they said to only leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes, but you know me, a hairdresser, I like to leave my products on, get under some heat, because heat opens up the cuticle, which allows moisture to come in. And they said this product is ultra hydrating and all that, so I wanted to see what it really had going on. So I did that. Once I went to wash it out, first of all, once I washed it out, I did not like the smell of it. Once I heated it up, I didn't like the smell of it. It was giving like bad flat iron smell. Like, I don't know if you know what that smell is, but like when you flat iron your hair, it just smelled not good to me. And my hair didn't smell like that, of course, when I was washing it and using those products. But once I put that in it and heated it up, I wasn't feeling the smell. So that took off points. And then by the time, first of all, it didn't have any slip, which I knew of because people reviewed it and said it didn't have any slip. Slip isn't a real big deal to me, but like, at least when I put this product on, I should be able to detangle, and I couldn't. Like, my mom's hands were not running through it. Even after 20 minutes underneath the dryer, it still wasn't detangling my hair, and I was like, what is going on? Like, it's not giving super hydrating. It's not giving, let me see, it's not giving improves manageability. That's not what it was giving. And of course, I know sometimes you have to use things more than once, but to me, being a hairstylist, sometimes only one time is what I have people in my chair for. So for this to be an intensive moisturizing treatment, it did not do that at all. My hair was not soft after using that product. I had to go in behind it with a moisturizing conditioner and let that set on just to make my hair manageable. And they said it was supposed to be manageable with this product, but no, I have to go in with a whole nother brand to make it manageable, to make it soft like this. Like, if I want to put something else on my hair, it would not have been flat ironing like this at all, because that Amika product did not do these claims. Okay, yeah, it wasn't soft and it was not manageable to me. It wasn't more hydrated. The Amika product, really, it did nothing. I've worked with drugstore brands. Like, you guys know I'm a big fan of Cream of Nature Argan Oil and Cream of Nature Acai Berry. Cheap, you can get those from Walmart, and they work really well. And for this not to work, and you're charging $42, maybe they weren't telling the truth about it working on every hair texture. I don't know, but to me, when it comes to moisture, it should work on everybody. I'm not understanding why it didn't work if they claimed it worked. So yeah, I would not recommend this product. I wouldn't recommend you spend that type of money on something that's not guaranteed. There are some products that are just like guaranteed. Like I said, Cream of Nature, guaranteed for moisture, hands down. Like, they are going to leave your hair moisturized in some facet. It's going to do something for you. But this product, it did nothing for me, and I basically had to go back and put something else on top so my hair can be soft and be shiny and luscious and all that. Like, I'm happy I tried it. I definitely do want to continue to do more reviews for you guys. Yeah, stay tuned for that. I have another review that I'm about to finish up right now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm going to hopefully be giving you guys some more reviews on the way. If you guys want to see my finished hair, go to my next review, or just, you know, follow me on Instagram at everything by Maja, and that's where you'll see me. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.